Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to reset your Telegram account. Resetting your account can help you start fresh, fix issues, or remove all your data from the app. We will guide you step by step on how to safely reset your Telegram account. Let's get started. On the Telegram dashboard, we can delete your account. To reset your account, we need to delete it first. Then, we can delete the account by going to the three lines in the upper left corner of the Telegram dashboard. We just need to tap that and go to Settings. Now, inside Settings, we will go to Privacy and Security. At the bottom of this menu, we just need to find the option to delete the account. Here, we can choose when to delete it. For example, in 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. It depends on when we want to reset the account. Once we have chosen that, we just need to click Save. If we want to delete the account right away, we need to go to this website. Here, we can delete the account immediately by entering our phone number. After typing the number, we click Next. A confirmation code will be sent to the phone. We then enter that code and then delete the account. Now that the Telegram account has been deleted, all we need to do is uninstall Telegram and reinstall it. After reinstalling, we create a new account using our phone number and fill in our details again, then create the account. That's it. We've successfully learned how to reset a Telegram account. Now we can start fresh with a clean account while keeping our data secure.